NISD has purchased WeVideo license for students and educators. In order to get your pro account of WeVideo, you're going to find the WeVideo icon within the NISD portal. You'll want to make sure to sign in with your Northwest account. Whenever you log into WeVideo, you'll see that there's a dashboard, you've got multiple projects, and then you even have groups. Groups are great if you want to work on a project together. So if I go to my groups, I could actually add my team, and that means that we could work on the same project together. And this is great for collaborative work or even just all uploading media that you want to splice together. For now, I'm going to go to Projects, and I'm going to click the plus sign to start a new project. So maybe this is Team Videos. If you have one person on your team that's going to edit the video, you can choose personal, or if you want to do this collaboratively, you can do it collaborative. If you do a personal video but you want to get videos from your teammates, another option for this is to set up a Google folder and have everybody upload the videos that they want. I'm going to ask if I want to add media from other videos that I've edited, and for now I'm going to say no. Okay, and now we're going to go to Create Video. There are a few templates, but I'll go ahead and show what it's like from the blank template. Alright, so just a quick tour here. You're going to import media by clicking the Import button, and then note that you can connect to Google Drive and upload from Google Drive or select from your computer. WeVideo is great for splicing together videos, maybe from different teammates or students or for the campus. Once I've added my videos or pictures, I can then drag them down to the video timeline here. Note that I can keep dragging as many videos and pictures as I want on the timeline. So this one's just a picture. I can add it to the end, or I can move these around and put it at the beginning, and then I can even choose Insert and Push, which would have pushed it back. And then in order to undo, so I didn't like the one I did there, I'm just going to Control Z to undo that. So I can move it here and insert. With WeVideo, you can also add text, so this is great for like a title slide or breaks in the slide. Notice you've got a bunch of different options here. WeVideo does a lot, but we're just going to kind of show a brief overview here. So if I want this text box, I go here, and then notice above all of these entries, when I click on them, there's a little edit pencil. So the 3 lines here, and then edit, this is where I would go in and add my title. Note that I can change fonts and colors. Another really common feature that people like to use in WeVideo is while previewing the video, they can then decide that they want to cut a certain part of the video, and then if they cut again, they could get rid of just a certain portion. You can also move this to zoom in and out so that you can be a little bit more precise when you cut parts of the video out. To add background music or an audio track to your slides, you're going to click on the audio option. And when you find the audio that you like, you're going to pull it down to the audio track. You should note that the audio tends to come in a little loud, so I like to pull the audio volume down here and right here as well. One really good practice with audio is to fade in your audio so that it doesn't start abruptly or end abruptly. So note that I just clicked on the blue line here, and then I can move this down to fade my audio. With audio, I can trim just like video, and I can cut or add different pieces of audio where I need to. Trim so that this comes out. And then you'd want to play your video just to make sure it sounds good. Students will access these. So you just want to make sure that the voice talking over the music is definitely a lot louder than the music, and you can always play with your video controls here. WeVideo has a lot to offer. You can use green screen, you can zoom in and out, do call outs, a lot of different things, but for now this is a really great start and tutorial for getting started with WeVideo. Whenever you're done with your video, you're going to click on Finish. Make sure it has a title. So this project was kind of in like a Team Videos folder, so you would give this a specific title. And then it's important to see that this does export to Google Drive, which is really nice because then you can either download the video or share the link. So you would click on Google Drive and then export. You will get an email notification when the video has exported, and it will show up in your Google Drive in a WeVideo folder.